Alright, iPhone 5 release day. Two new iPhones, 32 gigabytes, one in black, one in white. Ordered straight through Verizon's pre-ordering service. So let's go ahead and open these, see what we have. Alright, so here's the black one, or should be. Comes with Verizon's stuff. I switched from AT&T due to the LTE map comparison that I did. Here's the iPhone itself. Verizon's comes with a little bag for you to recycle your own old smartphone. By the way, they'll give you $150 for an iPhone 4 with 32 gigs of RAM of memory. There's a coupon for some accessories from Verizon, and the setup guide for. Let's go ahead and get the white one. Recycling bag, and it comes in a white box. So the black one comes in a black box, and the white one comes in a white box. That's cute. Alright, and here's the white one. One that my wife will be using. Dana, you want to see this before you leave? Here it is. Your thoughts?
I like it.
There you go. Authoritative thoughts. The girls like it anyway. First impression here. It is very thin, a little bit lighter, and this diamond polished edge that they talk about in the video is actually very beautiful. So there's the white one. In the box, we're going to get Apple's extremely high quality packaging with some stickers, some iPhone info user guide, more or less a, if you don't have an iPhone, read this, so you get an idea of how to use it. And then it comes with your wall charger, your charging cable. Actually, now they've given it iPhone special name. This is your lightning cable. And some ear pods, which come in this plastic case. So that's the white one. I'm assuming the black one's similar. And it's a little bit more plain than the white one as far as the contrast here. This is silver and white, where this is black and gray here. And then this edge here is also not quite as shiny as the white one. So if you want something that's a little more compelling as far as design, the white one is more glitzy, more bling, and the black one is quite a bit more plain. You don't really notice that it's taller. Maybe it's just the fact that I have fairly big hands, so the screen doesn't seem massively larger. What I do notice is thinness and lightness. It is much lighter and thinner than my iPhone 4. And just for comparison, I'll show you a photo of these guys right next to each other. But you've probably already seen how thin this is. There's passbook. Guess you buy all that stuff in the App Store maybe. Anyway, another cash cow for Apple is my guess. Hopefully the only thing wrong with this phone is the shipping delays that they've been having. Looks like I am now hooked up to Verizon. So let me know what you think. Do you like the new phone? Plan on getting one? I think it's a worthy upgrade from the iPhone 4. If you have an iPhone 4S, I wouldn't upgrade. I'd wait for the iPhone 5S. Just because iOS 6 is completely compatible with iPhone 4S. You get the panoramic, pictures, you get the maps. There's nothing really this phone can do that the 4S can't do, except have 4 more icons on the bottom. So I'd save your, $200 to $400 on a new phone, plus early termination from your contract charges, and just get the 5S when it comes out. But if you have the iPhone 4 and your upgrade is eligible, I'd go ahead and pick up one of these. It's going to be a nice smooth transition, and the iPhone 4 is starting to get a little long in the teeth as far as all the upgrades causing it to be slow. So that's my advice. Hope you enjoyed the video.